son. Tag an Ebonyi son on this video. Because Mbemga Potaraya Oga like him. Ebonyi son and Jpac. No na mana njakere na ebuari video. Avoid anything that has to do with my video. Let me repeat it again. Any content that I charge any of you to carry it. Ebonyi son, Jpac. Jpac, I saw your comment. Somebody brought it to my attention. I don't even follow you guys. But somebody brought it to my attention. Jpac, they tag you. Jpac, don't allow me to reopen case Simone again. I'm warning you and the Ebonyi son.
Igbo bibo, Igbo ndị manje moni Igbo mụrụ nse mozo ya mana ege mụtụndo na-ekene ngi n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko, as weye ndị bayi na-asị na ịnọkata ịgbaru okwu n'ụka ọsọ. Umbia na ya na alọ gara aga beginning of last year. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Jpac na Mother Maria Kanakbia. They have a very serious issue, and also one night okay nke ngokpara governor eziokwu. But since that messy, oge we making we no law we are not go. Whoever that gave her the advice and she listened, that means no ya and they are not making no ya and they are not move ma. Ogechi we na go always Ogechi na to pull ka move mkpụrụ. Man, I just like it's a painful thing that now after everything that happened, some people am hote share me they avoid. Now up again, then they Jpac in Ebonyi son warning. Why can't you do your own content, do whatever you want to do and leave somebody alone? You with the same because Nomboge say tiketa people na abaki Ebonyi son and the Jpac will come out and start backing them. But oge na ha say oyo obuna lapiaka. She's not calling anybody's name. She's not or that about anybody war. Or just no law where go name law where your name without involving or calling anybody name. Obuni if you come across a video, me chia gi meka gasine for here gawalo wage. Or that bagi war or de kwoku basaligi. Or they wo na agbawo or just no law where sometimes we book tell where crayfish ya book tell we onugbu law where online. People that want to buy will buy, people that don't want to buy na heji lego ha no law wa ndi jege golu. But kita na he me ya no una na achia happen Ogechi ko no law where happen Ogechi come again ko no law where so that echi ka mmadụ hafe bịa n'ụwa nke asị heji me mmadụ arrest emehe onye nke ọzọ. I don't want that thing at all. Onye fu eziokwu ya kwuru eziokwu n'oge. And I will advise my fellow woman na anụ gwa ọga gị ka hapụ ha gị ka hapụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka aka hapụ ya n'olu n'owu nke nwa n'ụlọ ọrụ ya. Ọgwụkwa n'ihe mwa wee na ngekwu n'okwu a. I don't have anything much to say. Maka nke oge o say etie nke a na-emekwa ya ka ọ ya ala before ọkwụsa before Ogechi akwụsa a ga-agụchakwa 2 years or so ma 3 years nke si nke ekolo as no omego more than 4 years the thing gawa. So imagine ọ bụ no start again, that means nke a ga-eru ihe dịka 10 years. Ọkwanụ nke ọla m n'Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ biko aka mbụkwa wada Igbo Epic blog. Echefuna ke subscribe on our channel, comment, share my own notification on yaga ceremony.
Hello Facebook, sorry my page is in the room now. Report to my page like mad. So my page is like crazy. The report is massive, but it's okay. It is what it is. So I just want to come and say hello on Facebook. It's been a while. I have not come on Facebook. I don't know whether to move this back a little bit. Sorry, too close. Let's see what I move this one back. I'm on TikTok or Facebook as. So now madam will not get with a notification because the kind of report in the room, you know, this is my page. I don't know whether My people are going to take notification to join live. My page is like 9 diamonds, but it's okay. I'm not making shit on Facebook. I'm gonna come and eat. I'm a warning to give. You see, I'm general nobody likes it. I decided to find peace for myself, and I decided to mind my business, right? Ebonyi son, tag an Ebonyi son on this video because when I put I like him. Ebonyi son and Jpac. No, na mana Njaka ne Buhari video. Avoid anything that has to do with my video. Let me repeat it again. Any content that I charge any of you to carry it. Ebonyi son, Jpac. Jpac, I saw your comment. Somebody brought it to my attention. I don't even follow you guys. But somebody brought it to my attention. Jpac, they tag you. Jpac, don't allow me to reopen case Simone again. I'm warning you and the Ebonyi son. You guys should allow me to heal. You guys should allow me to move on. I am sending this warning so people that knows you guys should warn you. People have... Today, I wanted to start Jpac matter. A lot of people reach out to me and they say they start showing your videos that you have apologized. I let go. I try to mind my business. Allow karma to judge everyone. But at this point, if you... Ebonyi son, let me warn you for the last fucking time. And Jpac, let me warn you for the last... You see, I'm dressing you peacefully. And that's what Jpac, that I have forgiven you. I don't want to have anything to do with you. But anything that related with my name, I beg for you to comment. I don't even want you. Because tomorrow now, they will say I did not dish out this. Ebonyi son, do not carry any of my content. Do not carry my video to mock yourself. Did you hear what I said? You guys should allow me to move on and heal. Please. I am grateful that Ejimishim put on Nigeria. I am grateful that all the plans the enemy planned for me did not work. You guys should allow me to move on in peace. And now I'm making this video now. Those of you that carry my content without my consent will not also carry this one to tell all of you, to tell me to avoid me. Avoid me. Hashi onye ndi no barakirikiri ne chendo yanchi. Jpac, for the last time, you and the Ebonyi son, avoid me. You guys should allow me to heal. You guys should allow me to heal all the trauma you guys put me through in Nigeria. I beg of you, allow me to heal. Don't carry my video. Don't carry any of my content. I will not carry any of yours. I don't want anything that has to do with you guys to be attached to me. Ebonyi son, I will not warn you again. I don't want to see any of my content because when I will come with a disaster. I will fight your page. I will fight you. I will fight your page and I will fight you. Avoid me. I don't have any business to do with all of you. I don't want to have anything to do with all of you. All the plans you guys made against me. All the evil that you guys planned against me. I'm Nigeria peacefully. You guys arrested me. Planned crew and arrested me. Had a plan and started reaching out to my enemies to come and arrest me, to come and permit me. Bikonu. With all due respect, Jpac, avoid anything that has to do with me. Avoid me. Likewise, you Ebonyi son, don't carry my content. I created the content. I don't want my video to surface on your platform. I don't want to have anything to do with all of you that conspired against me. That I decided to say, let me heal, let me move on. You guys should allow me. Because when I will jazz out, so now, I should know Ogechi, that I don't jazz out. This video will be my witness. This video will be my witness. Because I left everything for time to judge. I left everything for karma to prevail. You guys should allow me to be. You guys should allow me to be. Because nobody will hear my voice. Nobody will see this woman. Allow me to be. Avoid the anum. Anything that has to do with Ogechi, avoid me. Even Yawuru Gige give me minute to survive. Please, please. Allow me to be. Ebonyi son, avoid anything that has to do with my content. I'm not your friend. I will never be. Jpac, avoid me. Anywhere my thing has been posted, don't reopen the wound peacefully. Avoid me. Avoid me. This woman or the brutal onuya ojerefa. You guys are now pinching me and poking me. Allow me to heal. My content is mine. Whatever I do belongs to me. I don't carry on the videos. Onye brula video that has to do with you guys. I will respect that person's decision. Avoid me. You guys should avoid me. Aname kulaya na ya deka. Onyo wala wokola makebe. Onyo wala wokola makebe. I left everything for time to judge. Because time is the best judgment on earth. Time is the best judgment on time. It's only a matter of time. The judgment will take place. I did not leave my matter into God's hands because I know God is dealing with a lot of things. It's time to judge. Time that all of us use. Because I want you like we're in a chineke. But all of us use this time to progress, to process, to further, to do anything in this life. Time. That is why I'm bringing time for all of us. Because I want you all to believe we're in a chineke. I'm not pose my belief to all of you. Time to judge. That is everything I live for. Everything is time. I am Jihapuru. I left everything for time to be the judge. Haponomaka. Avoid me as much as you can. I will be a wounded lion. Let me repeat it again. I am a wounded lion. Allow the sleeping lion, not dog. Allow the sleeping lion to sleep. Avoid me. Avoid the animal in all costs. Because ejukam chineke non elibe. Mo wuchukwu okike abịama mo nkoli belivuru na arịọ gị ya asa arịrịọ. To avoid me. Bikono. Enweghị unu emechabe m n'ụwa. Unu emechagom. The trauma and everything that I've been through. Unu emechagom. Unu emego ya achieve. Na eji m obi ọma iyo nọrọ na Nnewi. Unu plan ya mee ma arrest. Zubunu niile over 30 men. Nigerian mother, the security is in God's hands. I'm on the security. My men in on uniform. My men are on uniform. Una gang gear up. And they go, oh, move it, come on, go. All of you ganged up. All of you ganged up. Avoid the animal. Avoid the animal. I can remember my mark 20, 30 years to come. Anytime nobody will tell me how to heal. And nobody will tell me to forget the drama that the video is on Facebook. Please. Kuna abali ala. Akonu bera na Nnewi n'Ugbo bia chere m. Bowazie MJ una enwere ikpe. Madam no dey ha aware. I'm just hearing it for the first time. I'm not planning no mere. Gewa governor onye oshi efurefu unintelligent criminal and the others that are yet to find out who they are. Jpac, all of you gathered. One. The same one na everyone. The same one na everyone. Marco, uno koro Marco. Jpac people tarabamona. My father raped me. My father molested me. Iputrakuona more imbecile children. Lock wire inside. And when we hear homo, then about koge. That ana giniki. Kem kozrigi wunki jiri doishi. Nagige eme my coming back home to be frustrated. Nagiga duri shida. That me returning back home. Iyeni no jimema rescue no ni neme bogudi na. Iyeni na unu jimema rescue. Iyeni no mega mene me 1 million times. Ayi unu neme. Even a merubedim half of ihe unu meriri. Erubedim quarter of it. Erubedim, I have never done half of what you guys are doing to others now. Biko, aragakwa miaka aririo. Ebonyi son, hapumaka. Jpac, leave me alone. Governor Onyoshi, hapumaka. All of you that planned, ganged up, hired people to frustrate my life in Nigeria. Happen to me. Happen to Marco. I don't they talk am now. People will not hear that I'm calling for everybody to leave me alone. Occasionally ejula be keshe yono. Occasionally ejula be keshe yono. Like I said, I leave time to judge all of us. All of us. All of us. I leave time to judge. Jpac ibu putere nna m nwụrụ anwụ mee ihe akaja. Eji nna m gba war for years. A whole professor in the United States of America that taught university until the day ọ nwụrụ. Ka ibu putere m ihe akaja. Ma agbazie gị war. Gbaa gị war. You connived with people and arrested me. For what? Now, I want to hear little Igbo na atoshe. Awu onye gbara m egbe bụ my problem. Onye kpụrụ m aka chilekwa nga m haidere. You guys that planned thousands of you and the point where I was at Nnewi are my problem. Not the woman who kpọrọ to arrest me. Not the woman who kpọrọ to arrest me. You guys are my problem. Kam tụgharịa akwa ilulu a again. Owu onye gbara m egbe. Who my problem? Owu onye tụrụ m aka chilekwa nga Ogechi haidere. Are my enemies. I put it to you all to allow me to be. Unu huna anything unu ga-emere mu to give me life. Take it away from me. Hapumaka, Ebonyi son, do not carry anything that has to do with. Iga ebekwa anyamu. Ama chugi na page, chugi na a war that you will never like. Avoid me. Jpac, stop commenting anything that has to do with me. You're referring to me. Ekwolamiana, let me be. Actually, shit time or Georgia, every one of us. Actually, shit time, Georgia, every one of us. Avoid me. You guys should avoid me. I will tell him no.